Well, talking about keeping a kosher home, what do you remember about things like preparing a chicken or anything like that? Do you remember any of this? It's easy
I
to be
remember
kosher.
going with my mother. I hated doing this, but sometimes she would schlep me along to the chicken market where she'd pick out a live chicken, and then she'd watch them slaughter the chicken. And it smelled, and there was sawdust on the floor, and oh, I couldn't wait to get out of there. And then she would bring it home, and she would salt it and do all the things she had to do with it. And sometimes there were the unborn eggs that she put into the soup that were supposed to be a delicacy. Eilach, she called them. And so, yeah, it was a whole process, and she utilized every inch of that chicken because nothing could go to waste. Well, if she made the soup and then we ate the soup chicken, and then she would grind it up and she would put it into a fricassee, and she would, I don't even know all the things that she did with it, but it became the stuffing for kreplach, and it was, every piece of that chicken was used.